Good morning, students. Today is 27 April, Tuesday, and our topic is animal fibers. In our previous class, we have studied about what are the animal fibers. Means those fibers which we get from the animals are called animal fibers. Okay, in the animal fibers, we have get a point wool that we get from the animals. Okay, now we have also studied about the animals that provided wool. In that topic, in their topic, we have studied about the different breeds and were they found also. And the breeds we studied about the Lohi, Rampur Bushair, Nali, Bakharwal, Marwadi and Patanwadi. Okay, now today we are going to talk on that obtaining wool from the sheep. How we obtain the wool from the sheep. Okay, now there are some many steps. Let's discuss on that. Sheep are mainly reared for their wool, meat and milk. The average lifespan of a sheep is about 10 to 12 years. Is about 10 to 12 years. As sheep, the herbivorous, they mainly feed on grass and leaves. They also fed on a mixture. They also fed on a mixture of pulses like jowar, corn, oil cakes, minerals, and the proteins. Rich food. Okay. In winter, the sheep are kept indoors and fed on leaves, grains, and dry fodders. Okay, now obtaining wool from sheep involves different steps. Different steps such as shearing, scouring, shorting, dyeing, and carding. Let's talk on that. Let's talk on the steps. First topic is shearing. What is shearing? Okay, now, shearing is the first step involved in the processing of wool. It is defined as the process of removing fleece along with the thin layer of skin from the body of the sheep. As the sheep, as the uppermost or layer of the skin is dead, shearing does not help the sheep. It can be done with the help of both blades and electrically powered devices. Sheep are usually shorn once a year, generally during the spring or summer seasons. Thus, the sheep can grow the hair again before winter. Okay, now it's time for your homework. Your homework is what is Pseudopedia. What is Pseudopedia? Okay, now students, I want to talk to you. Most of the students are not sending me their work, but I'm warning you. Okay, now why not sending me your work? Send me your work because your presence is not a compulsory. While you sending your work, behalf on that, your present will be filled. Okay, now most of the students are absent to whole month. In the whole month they are absent. I didn't. You will be called by the principal. This is sure. You will be called by the principal. Okay, now. So if you don't want to any bite or any slap or something, any protest or by the principal, okay, now then send me your work day by day. I will send you this timetable schedule to share your work on which subject on that day. Okay, now. So send me your work. This is compulsory, please. And one more compulsory thing. Better enrollment of the all students is compulsory. The 13th April is the last date of the enrollment. Enrollment is very necessary. If you didn't enroll yourself, you can't able to take your class from 1st May. If you have any problem, then call your class teacher and take the details of that enrollment and tell them about your such problems also. Okay, now. Okay, but do this before 30th. Okay, now. Thank you, class.